Well, today is day 2 of the Chad Isaak trial, and he's accused of killing 4 employees of RJR Maintenance and Management on April 1st of 2019. Leading local reporter Maddie Beertemple has been following the case this morning and joins us now in the studio to share what's happening so far. Good morning, or good afternoon rather, Maddie.
Hi, Alicia. On day 2 of the trial today, the wife of victim Robert Faulkner and current owner of RJR, Jackie Faulkner, took the stand. In the prosecution's line of questioning, Jackie described employees at RJR as a family and her husband Robert as her soulmate. After the murder, Jackie soon found out Robert was having an affair with a woman she also knew. She said she did not know about it while he was alive. Jackie says she and Robert were close with co-workers who were also killed, Bill and Louis Cobb, and even used to go on vacations with them. Since April 1st, 2019, Jackie says she's taken on much more responsibility at the company and her life has changed dramatically.
I work twice as hard. I don't have a life anymore. I don't have dreams. I don't have Robert. So yeah, my life changed dramatically. Yeah, big time.
Jackie also elaborated on the company's growth, noting that by 2019, RJR had about 30 employees, managed 3,000 units, and worked with more than 100 property owners. She said her husband Robert handled about 5 to 6 evictions a month, which were dealt with in court, but he didn't physically remove anyone. Jackie also says she didn't know the defendant, Chad Isaak, but thought they met once at a tenant meet and greet. She says Isaak paid rent early and used to do snow removal at the trailer park, but once RJR began managing it, he stopped. Jackie didn't know why. Overall, though, she said not much stuck out to her about Isaak as a tenant.
He might have had his paperwork for his dog accommodations. Other than that, I mean, it was a pretty normal lease that he had.
Are you aware, do you recall what type of dog the defendant had?
So I believe it's a brown, big dog that he had. A very adorable dog.
Jackie noted that she, her husband, the Cobbs, and Adam Fuhrer all regularly carried handguns either with them or in their vehicle. Prior to the murders, Jackie said she had no knowledge of any personal threat to her or any of the victims, including her husband, Adam Fuhrer, or the Cobbs.
All right, well, lots to sift through there. Thank you so much for that updated report, Maddie.